Hello everybody, coming to you once again from the mothership, from Winnebago Towables of Indiana, and today I'm going to show you some of the new models, some of the prototypes, the stuff that we did not see in Hershey.
I'm riding with my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
Well, we're going to begin, of course, with the smallest and lightest of them all, and this is the new Hike 100 series, and just over 15 feet in length, under 3,000 pounds of dry weight. And what that means, well, that means that you can tow it with an SUV, or even better, with a Class B RV, with some of the Class B RVs. Of course, it's geared towards the active RVer, towards the adventurous of us, with the roof rack where you can put toys. And you know, these are some of the floor plans that they're working on, which are really cool. And here we have like a 3D mock-up of what some of them would look like. And let me show you the outside first. Of course, here we have that plug for an outside shower. It's more like that garden hose that I have in mine as well. Here we have some storage over the wheel well, which is actually very clever. Whoops, and it goes down like this. And don't tell Adam if I break anything, you know. We have some down storage here, pretty big storage, and this is under, I believe, under the bed up there. A little bit of an exoskeleton here. I love having that hitch, you know. I'm kind of jealous that mine doesn't have that, but yeah, we have that hitch where we can put a bike rack or other toys. And the outdoor kitchen here, it has this convection cooktop, and this it's like a, you know, like a portable sink, and of course a Truma portable cooler refrigerator, and it's great, you know, storage out here. And when the weather is good, and even when the weather is not good, because we have this bat wing awning that goes all through the back and then through this other side. This is where the conversation happens, you know, outside, and like they say, right? Small house, large backyard. Well, that's what our being with this is. And the bat wing comes all the way here. I'm sorry, it's a little dark here. We have more storage on this side as well. But here we have an outside shower. And what you can do in this area, you can close it off completely, and you can have a full outdoor shower here. Here's that outside shower. You have the water heater right here. And now let me show you inside. Of course, it has all the new features that Winnebago is doing, like the power jacks, and stabilizer jacks, and that kind of thing. Let me show you inside. We have a compressor-based refrigerator, 12-volt, and you know, AC/DC, as they call them. A convection microwave right here, very nice. That integrated panel that they're doing on all of this, pre-wired for Wi-Fi. That's always important. More storage here, and here we have to extend the awning, because besides that batwing awning, it does have a nice awning here with LED lights. And then look at this. We have the bed. By the way, no slide on this, as you've noticed, no slide. So here's the bed. Here's access to that storage underneath. Oh no, actually no, it's not access to. It's actually a different storage, which is like, wow. Look at that. There's a storage here. And there's a storage accessible from the outside too. There's a lot of storage in this RV, and of course you have this queen size bed, and then you have a small bunk up there, all with windows on all sides, and we have power up there. We have power here. We have USB ports. This is a nice wardrobe closet here, furnace, your electronics, and then we have a wet bath here with a cassette toilet. But I mean, let's step inside. It's totally doable. Taking a shower in there when the weather is cold, like it's getting colder this time of the year. Here we have the cassette toilet. and for your toilet paper. And this, I'm assuming, is another small storage, maybe for paper towels or whatever you want to put in there. And then you have this one sink here. And I like that they put a sink in the bathroom separate from the sink here, you know, because sometimes you don't want to like brush your teeth in the main sink. And now, look at that. We have an extra countertop. You can use it to you can do that convection, convection, no, what am I, it's early. Induction cooktop, you could put it here. And you could also do that. We have tank heaters. This is the water pump, entrance lights, and awning lights right here. Everything in one place. And you can control the max air from here. You can open the vent. And it is not a max air. I apologize, but yeah, you don't have to, especially if you're not a tall person. Sometimes it is kind of hard to operate these fans. This, you have it right here. All the controls in the same place. And these are going to be the floor plans that they're going to have. You know, there's going to be one with the dinette over there. There's going to be one with the, I see, with the sofa, the twin beds. I know those are folding bench seats. That's probably this one, actually. Folding bench seats. And yeah, twin bunk beds. Yeah, I like what they're doing with the hike. I think this is going to be a very successful unit for Winnebago. I'm thinking. You know what I'm thinking. In any case, let's go to the next one. Of course, I'm saving mine for last. And this is the new Voyage here. I forgot the exact length, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say in the 30s. But let me show you here. Let me show you here what we have. And you know, this is like the full size, bumper pull trailer. Double slides here in the living area, so you get a lot of living area. Of course, the TV in front of your sofa where it should be. You know, those are the little design things that I'm always thinking about. Here you have another sofa with you can put a table here. So this will be your dining area. You see, no dinette on this one, so that will be your dining area. I'm gonna ask Adam if there's gonna be like a dinette option. Maybe there is. Here we have your entertainment system. You have your fireplace there, especially now that it's getting colder. That's important. We have plenty of storage up here, and you notice it has those these hydraulic struts there, so you don't really have any more like those locks that sometimes, you know, they can be a little bit of a pain. This is very nice, actually. By the way, this is a prototype, and according to what Adam told me, this is going to be a little more flush to the wall because, oh, let me show you. Look what we have here. Look at that. How much food can you put in there? That's a huge pantry, and it's very accessible because, you know, you don't have to like, it's not one of those pantries that is really deep, you know, that you really have to go back there to grab stuff. So this is great. That's almost like a walk-in closet. I like it. I like it. I like what they're doing here. And let me. It's a prototype, and I don't want to break anything. You know, they gotta show this to other people after me. This is a brand new Norcold refrigerator. I have not seen this one before. It is a 12-volt Norcold. That's a lot of room we have here. It's a large refrigerator. I forgot how many cubic feet it is, but I'm sure 15 cubic foot DC electric refrigerator. And this is very nice, actually. I like it. It kind of has like that residential look, but it's made for an RV. And here we have the freezer down here with a drawer. Very nice. I like it. We have a convection microwave, very large convection microwave up here, but we also have a propane oven as well, and you know, your standard three burner stove there, and then this large sink. We've seen this. It's a very nice setup right there. Here's the furnace. We have a power outlet here. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to see in this part. More storage up here on the top. And here you have a wireless charger, and you have a vent, you know, an exhaust vent right here in the kitchen area where it should be. We have more storage up here, of course. And here you have your integrated control panel with all your tank. Well, battery is full, fresh water. All our tanks, our slide controls, entry lights, main lights, all that. Security lights. We have security lights. Interesting. And awning lights. Here we go. Of course, a water heater, and you have electric and LP water heater on this one, and tank heaters for those. Cold days of winter. Thermostat, another light. Here's the bathroom, and here, yeah, that's a porcelain toilet. And here we have very nice mirror, where you can see almost your entire self, which is very nice. I like that. And here's the shower. Let's see. Let me go in the shower as I usually do. And I'm 5'10" for reference, so yeah, this will accommodate someone very tall. And we've got yeah, I don't know exactly how it works. I don't want to break anything. I like where they put the towel holder here. Some storage. I imagine this is gonna have some kind of door at some point. You know, it's a prototype, as I was saying. So and it's a sliding door here on the bathroom. So of course you would secure it for travel, but if you don't want people to see what your bathroom looks like. Okay, I thought I had broken it, and that's the thing. This is just as maybe I shouldn't be doing all this, because as Adam told me, this is a prototype. Here we have a fan, and now it's since it is kind of tall. This is a very tall trailer. I think he told me 8 feet or so. It would be kind of hard to reach. You know, this is that kind of fan. So we have here controls to open the vent and to turn on that fan. Ducted AC, of course. It is almost like it's almost walk-around bed. It's of course north-south. We have nice wardrobe closet here. Very nice. I like it. And more storage up here, and more storage under the bed. So that's what it is. And it is a prototype, but it looks like it has room there for some power outlets on each side and all that. So this is the Voyage. Hey Adam, how many feet is this one in length?
This one is going to be about 30 feet overall.
30 feet overall, okay.
Yes.
By the way, there's Adam. And now, the pièce de résistance. No, it's just because this one is very similar to the one that I am towing right now, but now it is called the FLX, and as you can see, it has new graphics in green because you know, it's more environmental in that sense, and it is for those of us who want to unplug from the grid. Has a new graphics here on the front, and let me show you inside. It is virtually identical to mine. Oh, by the way, now they're doing Goodyear Wrangler tires on these trailers and on the Voyage as well. And one thing that I don't have, and I'm kind of jealous, we have a hitch in the back where you can put like a bike rack, same as the hike. It has a hitch in the back, and yeah. So let me show you now. This is the 2108 DS Micro Mini FLX. Of course, we have the Truma air conditioner. We have two 190 watt 30 amp charge controller, a 300 watt inverter. We have that 320 amp hour lithium battery, and by the way, that Truma Vario furnace, very nice. This is very nice as well. I had never had one before, and I didn't think I was gonna like it as much, but this quick connect garden hose, really a game changer. Let me see. Yeah, exactly the same as mine. Here's the, actually it's just nice to see it because mine is covered up. That's the Santrex 3000 watt inverter, and that's that Lithionics battery that we have. Let's step inside here, and this is of course virtually identical to Minitini III, so I'm not gonna dwell on it much. By the way, that air conditioner is on, and I don't know if you can hear it on the lavalier mic, but it's very quiet. Yeah, I'm just gonna go over everything real quick because this is pretty much exactly the same as I have. They changed, this a little bit the handles, but other than that, it's exactly the same toilet, same shower. We have this the Dometic, also 12-volt refrigerator, which is very efficient, very nice. Same Suburban range. Same here, and same sink, counter extension. We have these two pretty large drawers, and this is like for silverware and whatnot. More storage down here, and this is for your pots and pans. This down here, it's not storage. That's your converter box. This is of course the Murphy bed that comes down, and yeah, it's very nice to see the same prototype that I've been towing for the past couple of months as a production unit. So I think that's it from Winnebago Towables here in Middlebury, Indiana, and I really want to thank them for the opportunity to come here and show you guys what they're working on, the new models, and now we continue. There you go, that's the video of that new hike. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, and 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah, I'm riding, I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.